At 10, race cannot be a factor in college admissions, so says the Supreme Court. Good evening, everybody. I'm Chris Ketz.
And I am Bria Berry in for Lara. The decision means higher education must find new ways to diversify student bodies. The justices ended affirmative action in college admissions today, and President Biden disagrees with that ruling.
I also believe that while talent, creativity, and hard work are everywhere across this country, not equal opportunity. It is not everywhere across this country. We cannot let this decision be the last word. I want to emphasize, we cannot let this decision be the last word.
Now high school students and parents are wondering what's next.
KMBC 9's Brian Johnson is getting answers. He's live tonight on the UMKC campus. Brian?
Yeah, Chris, Bria, this will impact several programs throughout the University of Missouri system, specifically graduate programs and scholarships. Tonight, a spokesperson tells us the system will follow the law and the changes are coming. Students already admitted and awarded scholarships are not impacted. Bachelor's degree seeking students within the University of Missouri system won't see a change. The system has no enrollment caps, so anyone who qualifies gets in.
The University of Missouri is here to serve all Missouri citizens and our students.
Its graduate programs will change. Public and private programs with limited capacity can't use race as a factor.
So we will certainly be looking at how can we make sure that we are providing the right support for all of our students.
Colleges may consider socioeconomic status or other creative ways to attract diversity.
To talk about diversity without including race as a factor makes absolutely no sense at all.
U.S. military academies are the only higher education institutions left out of Thursday's ruling because of national security interests.
Indicates that this is just a really bad decision on the part of the Supreme Court.
There was a steep drop in minority enrollment after some states dropped affirmative action. 9 states prohibit race in admissions. The Urban League says after decades of laws that marginalize and disadvantage minorities, the ruling is a step backwards.
There is absolutely nothing wrong with a black or brown child's capacity to learn. They have not had equal access.
Brian Johnson, KMBC 9 News.
The University of Kansas put out a statement saying today's decision will have a small impact on its admissions process. Missouri Attorney General Andrew Bailey sent letters to dozens of universities and cities warning them to end affirmative action policies. He says they must comply with the Constitution and federal law. The University of Missouri and Missouri State received letters. So did the mayors of Kansas City, St. Louis, and Columbia.
The High Court's current term runs out tomorrow. Other big decisions we're watching for include the president's student debt forgiveness program and whether businesses can deny services to LGBTQ plus customers. Make sure you have the KMBC 9 News app with alerts turned on. We'll send the news straight to your phone once opinions on these big cases are announced.